Question number 1. Coal found in Meghalaya is famous for. Correct answer C. Question number 2. Which animal is known as the state animals of Meghalaya? Correct answer C. Question number 3. Nigrims was established in which year? Correct answer C. Question number 4. Which place is known as the birthplace of Khasi literature? Correct answer C. Question number 5. Which city is the headquarters of East Garo Hills district? Correct answer C. Question number 6. The biggest church in Meghalaya is located in which locality? Correct answer B. Question number 7. The Meghalaya Day Awards given annually on January 24th in memory of. Correct answer D. Question number 8. The Apira Awards comprises of the. Correct answer D. Question number 9. Who led the Garos against the British soldiers when they attacked the Garo Hills in 1872? Correct answer B. Question number 10. Nong Knom Island is the second largest river island in Asia. Is located in which district? Correct answer D. Question number 11. The district headquarters of West Garo Hills is. The correct answer B. Question number 12. Who wrote the book Jawaharlal Nehru, The Thinking Dynamo? The correct answer A. Question number 13. The National Greens Tribunals has banned. Correct answer B. Question number 14. Nokkalikai Fall is located in which district of Meghalaya? The correct answer A. Question number 15. Jowai is located at a distance of dash from Shillong. The correct answer B. Question number 16. Shillong Golf Course is on dash holes golf course. Correct answer B. Question number 17. Balpakram National Park is situated in. Correct answer B. Question number 18. M.M. Jacobs became the governor of Meghalaya in. Correct answer C. Question number 19. The current chief minister of Meghalaya is. Correct answer B. Question number 20. What is the total area of Meghalaya? Correct answer B. Question number 21. How many districts are there in Meghalaya? Correct answer B. Question number 22. In which district is Shasuk Museum celebrated? Correct answer B. Question number 23. Where is Wangaladan celebrated? Correct answer B. Question number 24. Name the years when Meghalaya experienced major earthquakes in the past. Correct answer C. Question number 25. When was the 14th Lok Sabha polling held in Meghalaya? Correct answer B. Question number 26. When did Meghalaya attain a full-fledged state? Correct answer A. Question number 27. Rudra Singh was the CM of. Correct answer B. Question number 28. Natyang is famous for its correct answer C. Question number 29. In which year the British capital was shifted to Shillong from Cherrapunji? Correct answer A. Question number 30. One of the largest river islands in Asia, a few kilometers away from Northern is correct answer B. Question number 31. The highest peak in Garo Hills. Correct answer B. Question number 32. What is the total forest cover in Meghalaya as per Forestry Survey in India 2011? Correct answer C. Question number 33. How far is Tura from Shillong via Guwahati? Correct answer B. Question number 34. Gonal River is known by what name as it enters Golpara district of Assam? Correct answer A. Question number 35. Sillimanite and corundum deposits are found in. Correct answer C. Question number 36. The highest peak in Meghalaya is known as Shillong Peak is at a height of. Correct answer D. Question number 37. Which country borders with Meghalaya? The correct answer A. Question number 38. Umyam Lake is located in which district in Meghalaya? Correct answer A. Question number 39. What is the official language of the states of Meghalaya? Correct answer B. Question number 40. The Lepchas are an ethnic community belonging to the states of. Correct answer D. Question number 41. Which among the states below does not have English as its official language? Question number 42. About dash of the world's one-horned rhino is found in Kaziranga National Park of Assam? Correct answer C. Question number 43. The famous Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which states? Correct answer A. Question number 44. The capital of Assam is. The correct answer C. Question number 45. In which state is Northeast India is Kabul Lamjung National Park located? Correct answer C. Question number 46. River Barracks flows through. Correct answer D. Question number 47. The biggest rivers in Northeast India is. The correct answer is B. Question number 48. The largest state in Northeast India. The correct answer is D. Question number 49. Durga Puja is celebrated in which month of the year? The correct answer is D. Question number 50. Who is the current governor of Meghalaya? The correct answer is A.